Part 5. Specialized FinTech Platforms. Beyond the general-purpose tools we've discussed, an entire ecosystem of specialized software, often called FinTech, has emerged. These platforms are engineered from the ground up, with AI and automation specifically for core finance functions. They offer deeper, more integrated intelligence for processes where generic tools might reach their limits. 5.1 Vina Solutions, AI-powered financial planning and analysis, FP&A. Vina Solutions represents a powerful evolution in the world of financial planning and analysis, FP&A. It directly addresses a classic finance dilemma. Teams love the flexibility of Excel for modeling, but they struggle with the chaos of version control, manual data consolidation, and enforcing process rigor. Vina cleverly bridges this gap. It provides a centralized, governed platform that feels familiar because it uses a native Excel interface. This means your financial planners can build budgets, forecasts, and reports in the tool they know best. But behind the scenes, Vina's intelligence takes over. Its AI and automation capabilities focus on automating data consolidation. Instead of manually merging dozens of departmental Excel files, Vina automatically pulls data from your ERP, CRM, and other sources, ensuring a single source of truth. Enhancing forecasting. It goes beyond simple spreadsheets by using AI to identify trends and patterns in historical data, helping to generate more accurate, driver-based forecasts for revenue, expenses, and cash flow. Streamlining workflows and controls. It automates the entire planning cycle, from distributing templates through automated approvals to final reporting, all while maintaining a clear audit trail. This turns FP&A from a frantic quarterly exercise into a continuous, controlled process. 5.2 High Radius. AI for accounts receivable, AR, automation. High Radius targets another critical, yet often inefficient area: the order-to-cash cycle. Managing accounts receivable manually is riddled with challenges. Matching payments to invoices is tedious. Predicting which customers will pay late is guesswork, and optimizing cash flow is reactive. High Radius injects AI specifically to transform AR into a strategic, predictive function. Its AI models are trained on your unique transaction history and customer behavior to automate cash application. This is a monumental time saver. The AI intelligently matches incoming customer payments, even complex partial or batch payments, to their corresponding open invoices with extremely high accuracy, slashing manual research and posting time. Predict customer payment behavior. It can forecast the expected payment date for each invoice by analyzing how specific customers have paid in the past, along with broader trends. This allows collections teams to proactively focus on at-risk accounts before they become delinquent. Optimize working capital. By providing a precise, AI-driven forecast of cash inflows, finance leaders can make smarter decisions about payables, investment, and debt management. It also intelligently prioritizes collection efforts to maximize cash recovery. These specialized platforms like Vina and High Radius are typically adopted by medium to large organizations, or those with complex financial operations, where the volume and strategic importance of the processes justify a dedicated, intelligent solution. They represent the next level of maturity, moving from using AI in individual tasks to embedding it into the very core of key financial workflows.